If you are curious to learn more about the wonderful world of chocolate, then I am delighted to tell you that you have come to the right place. In this video, I will show you the list of 8 fascinating facts about that fantastic sweet food called chocolate. And I am sure that there are some facts that you didn't know about this world's most famous sweet treat. Well, let's get started. Number 8. Chocolate was once money that grew on trees. In Mayan times, cacao beans were used as currency and considered worth more than gold. To keep the value of the cocoa bean in check, the cultivation of cacao trees was restricted. Otherwise, it would have been too tempting to grow your own currency. Number 7. Chocolate wasn't always solid or sweet. Until 1847, chocolate was a delicacy enjoyed in bitter liquid form. Then, the British chocolate company Fry & Sons introduced the concept of eating chocolate after combining cocoa butter, sugar, and chocolate liquor. This concoction was more grainy than smooth, but was still enjoyed by many. Number 6. It took 8 years to develop the recipe for milk chocolate. Daniel Peter, a Swiss chocolatier and entrepreneur, spent 8 long years figuring out a recipe for milk chocolate that would work. It wasn't until 1875 that he realized that condensed milk was the answer to all his troubles. A lot of people are pleased that Daniel never gave up. Number 5. Making chocolate is hard work. It takes 400 cacao beans to make just 1 pound of chocolate. That means that each cacao tree produces around 30 to 60 pods per year. Each pod contains approximately 40 beans. So, each tree only produces 2 to 3 pounds of chocolate per year. Add to that the fact that cacao pods are harvested by hand, and you understand why good chocolate is expensive. Number 4. White chocolate isn't chocolate. White chocolate isn't considered to be chocolate because it doesn't contain any cacao solids or cacao liquor. Instead, this sweet treat is made from cocoa butter, vanilla, and sugar. Don't worry though. I won't judge you if white chocolate is still one of your favorites. Number 3. Chocolate does funny things to our brains. The mere smell of chocolate increases theta brain waves, which trigger relaxation. In addition, a study conducted at Hasselt University in Belgium showed that when the scent of chocolate was diffused in bookstores, sales of books increased, especially those of romance novels. Chocolate also contains tryptophan, which the brain uses to produce serotonin, a hormone that causes generalized euphoria. So, eating chocolate does make you happier. Number 2. One of the best chocolate treats was a complete mistake. Chocolate chip cookies were discovered totally by accident. In 1938, a woman named Ruth Wakefield thought that adding chocolate chunks to her cookie batter would result in chocolate cookies. Instead, she stumbled upon the recipe for what became the world's favorite cookie. Wakefield eventually sold the recipe to Nestle Toll House in exchange for a lifetime supply of chocolate. No doubt, it was a good deal for Ruth. Number 1. Chocolate can help prevent tooth decay. Tooth decay appears when your mouth is home to bacteria that turn sugar into acids, further eating away the tooth surface and causing cavities. The antibacterial agents in cocoa beans tend to inhibit the growth of these bacteria and prevent tooth decay. So choose to eat dark chocolate as it contains more cocoa. However, this doesn't mean that you have to eat chocolate daily. All right, that was 8 fun facts about chocolate. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you liked the video, so you get notified whenever I post a new video. See you.